Reman provides value in a number of different ways to our process and our product. We can plan for our parts, working with our customers through their strategy, making sure we've got the right parts at the right time.
One of the biggest benefits and unique selling propositions that a Caterpillar dealer has to its customers is really the vast range of repair options we can provide, from brand new components and parts through to Reman.
The value that TerraCat brings to the mining industry in New Zealand is we want them to do well, we want them to be successful, we want them to be able to see the value of the product that they buy. So that means partnering with them to make sure that they receive all the benefits of a Caterpillar product and a Caterpillar dealer, from parts, service and general day-to-day product support.
The benefits for us are linked around the component life, getting the best cost per hour for that component. We can then pick and choose whether we use new or Reman, whatever's going to get us the best cost and the best life out of the component.
The biggest thing with our customers here in New Zealand and probably worldwide is the ability of having the machine on the ground and working. So offering them Reman speeds up the process of getting the machine back working again. And the priced a lot less than what a new item is.
If we understand the customer's needs, then we can really tailor a solution to meet those requirements. Sometimes by being involved with a site directly, it means we're picking up on things that are going on around the place and can put suggestions forward that they may not really be aware of themselves.
We provide our customers with the options that fit their production schedules, their maintenance strategies, and that really enables them to partner with us to select what solution fits their business as best as possible.